Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll build a simple rent calculator using Python. This project is perfect for beginners because we'll use basic concepts like variables, user input, calculations, and print statements. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before writing the code, let's understand what this program will do. The user will enter the monthly rent, food expense, electricity units used, the electricity price per unit, and the total number of people living in the room or flat. Then our program will calculate the total expense and finally show how much each person has to pay. First, let's create a new Python file. I'll name it rentcalculator.py. Now we'll start writing our program step by step. First, we're printing a simple heading. This doesn't affect the calculation, but it makes the program look cleaner and more professional. Now we'll take the monthly rent from the user. We're using the input function because we want the user to enter the value while running the program. We are also using float, so the user can enter decimal values if needed. Next, we ask for the food expense. This amount will also be included in the final bill calculation. Here, we're asking for the total electricity units consumed. Now we ask for the price of one electricity unit. We'll multiply these two values to calculate the electricity bill. Finally, we ask how many people are living in the room. Since the number of people is always a whole number, we're using int here. Now it's time for the first calculation. To calculate the electricity bill, we simply multiply the total electricity units by the price per unit. Next, we calculate the total expense. Here, we're adding the monthly rent, food expense, and electricity bill together. This gives us the total amount spent for the month. Finally, we divide the total expense by the number of members. This tells us exactly how much each person has to pay. Now we'll display all the results in a clean format. First, we print the rent. Then, the food expense. After that, the electricity bill. Next, the total expense. And finally, the amount each person has to pay. Let's run the program and see the output. Here you can see our program is working perfectly. The electricity bill is calculated automatically. Then all expenses are added together. Finally, the total amount is divided equally among all members. This is a simple but very useful beginner-level Python project. That's it for today's video. I hope you understood how this rent calculator works and learned something new. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the other Python projects available on this channel. They are beginner-friendly and will help you improve your Python skills step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.